Writing a book without a well-laid-out marketing strategy is a recipe for failure. You could write the best book in the world, but if no one knows it exists, it's as good as unread. The good news? Most of the marketing tips I'm about to share won't cost you a dime. These strategies are simple, effective, and perfect for self-published authors like you. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Start building your online presence before you finish your book. Start a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel before you finish your book. Social media platforms, a blog, or even a YouTube channel can become your personal stage. Share your journey, post snippets, and engage with your audience. Think of this as planting seeds. By the time your book is ready, you'll have a community excited to buy it. Tip 2. Use beta readers to market your book. Beta readers aren't just helpful for feedback, they're your first fans. Ask them to share honest reviews and talk about your book on social media. Their word of mouth can create early buzz and build anticipation for your launch. Tip number 3. Create shareable content that promotes your book. This could be a blog post, a chapter preview, or even quote graphics from your book. But here's the kicker. You need to create a marketing runway at least 2 months before your book's release. Start talking about your book, sharing behind-the-scenes moments, and drumming up anticipation. Build excitement by creating a waitlist of interested readers. This waitlist could be as simple as a Google form or an email sign-up page. By the time your book launches, you'll already have an eager audience waiting to grab a copy. Tip number 4. Partner with other authors in your genre. Collaboration is key in the publishing world. You could swap guest posts on each other's blogs, share each other's books with your audiences, host a joint giveaway. Together, you can reach a wider audience without spending a penny. And finally, tip number 5. Engage in online communities where your readers hang out. Join Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or forums related to your book's genre or topic. But don't spam. Build genuine connections, share your expertise, and subtly introduce your book when it's relevant. There you have it. 5 book marketing tips that won't break the bank. Remember, marketing doesn't have to be expensive, but it does need to be strategic. Start early, connect with people, and let your passion for your book shine through. If this helped, give this video a like, share it with a fellow writer, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help your book succeed. Your story deserves to be read. Now go make it happen.